Drying out across the plateau after a damp day today. Winds were howling this afternoon as well and really started to cool things down. Still a bit of a breeze. You can see some of the flags here, but not as bad as earlier. Still kind of on the damp side right now on the other side of our viewing area into the Smokies. This is just above the Gatlinburg floor there at the Anakeesta area. You can still see a little bit of wet pavement there. There's just a touch of very light rain or drizzle. Portions of Cotton, Greene County up into Johnson County. That is pushing off towards the east, so not much longer. If we see some breaks in the clouds tonight, which I think certainly possible, especially back across the plateau, that's where we could see some reduced visibility with some fog. So again, from Crossville all the way up through southeast Kentucky, that will be as you head out the door about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, temperatures right now are cooling off. We still have some brisk northerly winds. 38, the actual temperature in Jamestown and Oneida. We're 45 here in Knoxville, but wind chill values have been a little less than that. Daytime temperatures when you head out the door tomorrow morning, 39 for Knoxville, Maryville, 37 in Gatlinburg, and near freezing places like Oneida, Jamestown, and Crossville. Temperatures tomorrow about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than today, but this is actually pretty close to average for this time of year. I think 50 now is the average high here in Knoxville. We'll start with some cloud cover and then we'll see some sunshine as we go through the afternoon. Chilly start Friday morning. We're down close to freezing in some spots. Maynardville, La Follette, Oneida, 29 in Barberville, and about 34 for Newport and Gatlinburg. And it will be cooler through the day on our Friday. Low 40s for the plateau and mid to upper 40s here in the valley. That's the moderating Arctic air that's pushing into our area. A quiet start Friday morning, but then the clouds quickly build as that colder air rushes in. It's squeezing out what moisture is left in the form of some light snow for some elevated areas. Most likely opportunity is going to be in the mountains. This is 3 o'clock through the afternoon, right into the evening. You can see it start to grow just a bit there. Could we see a random flurry Friday? Yeah. Will it cause any concern? No, not going to happen. And this winds down pretty quickly by the time we get to Friday night at 11. Typically happens with what we call these clipper systems. They just clip the area. There's not a lot of moisture with it, but maybe some 1 to 2 inch plus totals above about 3,500 feet in the Smokies. Downtown Gatlinburg, some areas into Cotton County. Could you see some on the grassy areas? Same thing for our plateau counties. Yeah, it's possible, but again, not going to be a huge concern. It's chilly through the weekend, near 40 both days, just more clouds than sun Saturday. Chilly sunshine by the time we get to our Sunday. We talked about if you're heading up to Columbus, could be some flurries or snow showers there Friday, but it's dry for kickoff. Just cold, feeling like teens with temperatures actually dropping from mid-20s to low 20s. It does moderate though next week, and as we head into Christmas Eve day, it is mainly cloudy, and I still think a few sprinkles or light rain showers expected overnight Christmas Eve night into Christmas Day, so a better chance of a wet Christmas than a white Christmas. Right.